step forward, the fool begins. The magician wakes the light within. The high priestess softly knows the path unfolds as wisdom grows. Every card tells part of your story. Every choice reveals what's true. For the love of tarot, Tellataletarot, every journey begins with you. The Empress nurtures, life takes root. The Emperor stands in quiet truth. The Hierophant shares what time has known. The lovers choose the path called home. Every card tells part of your story. Every choice reveals what's true. For the love of tarot, Tellataletarot, every journey begins with you. The chariot moves with heart and will. Trust your path and travel still. Every card tells part of your story. Every choice reveals what's true. For the love of tarot, Tellataletarot, your next chapter begins with you.